Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on your smartphone. From WhatsApp to Instagram and even Messenger, Meta AI has something for everyone. So let's dive in and see what it can do. Let's talk about what Meta AI actually is. Meta AI is Meta's artificial intelligence platform powered by their custom model Llama 3.2. Think of it as your digital assistant that can help you generate text, images, and even have intelligent conversations across Meta's suite of apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook. Currently, only some regions have full access to all features, but let's explore what's available. Let's start exploring how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. To get chatting, simply click on the purple ring at the top right of your screen. You can also find Meta AI in the search bar. Just type Meta AI or select some suggested options and you can start the conversation. Meta AI is here to help with almost anything. If you need a social media caption, a poem, a story, or even a video script, or if you want to summarize anything, you can almost do anything from Meta AI. For example, I asked it for a personality quiz and it provided me 10 questions instantly. Meta AI even lets you provide feedback. If you like or dislike an answer, you can react to help improve future responses. If you want to see Instagram Reels, just ask Meta AI to give some Reels. I asked for sports car Reels and it instantly showed some suggestions from Instagram. If you need to refine or expand on an answer, just reply to any previous message and Meta AI will continue from there. You can even create imaginative images. Like here, I ask for a tea party in Wonderland. It will generate unique images. And you can make them animated too. You can save, share, set as profile photo or even set as wallpaper of these images. Meta AI supports multiple languages, so feel free to ask questions in any language. Here I asked it in Spanish and it created an image as requested. If you need some translation, just ask Meta AI to translate into any language you like. If you are chatting with someone or if you are in a group chat, you can use Meta AI here also. Just type Meta AI followed by a question or request and it will respond you with images and answer. As you can see, the images generated by Meta AI are always in high definition, so you can use these images wherever you want. Meta AI is also a live conversation partner, ready to chat on the go. You can pick from a range of voices for a unique experience. If you are curious about something around you, take a photo and let Meta AI identify details. You can edit the image and even add a creative caption as you like. Now, let's look at using Meta AI on Instagram. To get started, go to your direct messages and type in Meta AI or tap on the purple ring. You can also select any of the suggestions and start chatting with Meta AI. Just like in WhatsApp, you can ask Meta AI anything you need on Instagram. You can generate and edit images, animate them, and even get some reel suggestions. Here I asked for 10-minute home workout reels and it suggested me some reels. You will also find the Imagine Yourself feature here. Here you can ask Meta AI to imagine yourself in any situation. Instagram's writing tool offers some unique options with Meta AI. You can refine your messages to make them more professional, add some humor, keep them short, make them supportive, or even add emojis. Feedback is easy. You can like, reply, or give feedback on responses. You can also add these messages and images directly to your Instagram story. If you want to use Meta AI while chatting with someone, just type Meta AI and ask your question or generate an image right within the conversation. Here's how you can start using Meta AI on Facebook. To connect with Meta AI, type Meta AI in the search bar, tap on the purple ring, or go to Meta AI's profile and click the message button. Meta AI on Facebook has a lot of the same capabilities. You can chat, generate images, get reel suggestions, and even ask for post ideas or topic summaries. If you need help with the caption, just click Help Me Write. Meta AI can correct grammar, make it professional, funny, heartfelt, or inspirational, whatever you need. You can also ask for changes or even request a shorter version. You can use the Imagine feature to create unique images for your post. You can personalize these images, make changes, and even animate them. You can also use this feature while posting a story. You can even create a new profile picture with Imagine. Finally, Meta AI can enrich your Facebook feed by providing more information on topics you're interested in, right in the moment you're browsing. Starting a chat with Meta AI in Messenger is easy. Just click on the purple ring at the bottom center of the screen, type Meta AI in the search bar, or select New Message and enter Meta AI to begin. Meta AI can help with just about anything in Messenger. You can ask questions, find solutions, create and animate images, or even try fun features like Imagine Yourself. If you are in a chat or a group, simply type Meta AI followed by your questions to get answers, or generate images right in the conversation. Meta AI is also available on the web, making it easy to access from your computer. Simply go to meta.ai, sign in with your Facebook or Instagram account, and you are all set. You will find a range of options for generating text and images right from your browser. Whether you need to quickly draft, edit, or brainstorm ideas, Meta AI makes it easy without needing any additional app. Plus, your prompts are also saved, so you can revisit or build on them anytime. It's perfect for those who prefer working from a desktop. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think about Meta AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.